Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text to speech on YouTube Shorts. First of all, open a Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. After that, in the URL section, look out for the Big Speak AI and enter it. After you're done, what you have to do is scroll a bit down until you find the Big Speak AI. Click that option. And you'll be getting into this interface. You can simply enter the text. And after you're done with your text, you can simply select this option that says I'm not a robot and click on generate voice. So you can listen to the voice.
Hello, I am I, and I can speak.
So after that, you can download this. And here we can see you just got downloaded. And from here we can see you can simply extract this audio and video in your YouTube Shorts. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.